All right, so we're going to go over a few of the problems on the Puzzlemania solving one-step equations. This is the Sparky page from today. And so number one is done for us. Number two, I have x over 3 equals 9. Well, x over 3, that's just a division problem, and my inverse of division is multiplication. So I need to multiply both sides by 3. So if I'm dividing by 3 now, I need to multiply both sides by 3. And because I have a fraction, it's going to be 3 over 1. So 3 over 1, and then I can cross cancel. And so now I just have x times 1 divided by 1. That's just going to be x on the left side. On the right side, I'm going to have 9 times 3. That's 27. So x equals 27. Number 3, I have 8 times x. And so that's, 8x is the same as 8 times x. So that's a multiplication. My inverse of multiplication is division. I'm going to have to divide. Instead of multiplying by 8, I got to divide both sides by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times x is x. And then my equal sign, so it would be x equals 32 divided by 8 is 4. So then my answer is going to be x equals 4. The next one is an addition problem. So the inverse of addition is subtraction. So right now I have plus 28. To undo that, I need to subtract 28. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So that makes a 0 pair. That leaves me with x equals, and 37 minus 28. All right, so 37 minus 28 is 9. And so x equals 9. So we've done a division, we've done a multiplication, and then there's an addition. So next I'll do a subtraction problem. So x minus 49, so that's a subtraction. Inverse of subtraction is addition. So I need to add 49 to both sides. So it makes a 0 pair. I'm left with x equals, and then 149 plus 152. And I'm going to say that that is 9 plus 2 is 11, 5. So that's going to give me, 201. Sorry. 201. And so now we have samples of all four operations: division, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So from here, you're just going to follow those same patterns over and over again. So for number 5, it's a division, so I need to multiply both sides by 5, and I'll be able to get my answer. Number 7 rather. So that's 8 times x, so I need to divide by 8 on both sides to get my answer. And then here, so I have plus 143, that'll be minus 143 from both sides. So on and so forth. So you're going to do that, solve the problems, and then once you've done that, you can solve the puzzle below. Don't forget on the back side of the paper that you're going to need to choose 3 to work out. So again, our example, after paying $39 for football, Cody had $62 left over. How much money did he have before he bought the football? So their variable is m. You can use whatever variable you want. You can use x for all of them, or you can use a different variable. So here we have m. So m is what he started with. M minus 39 equals 62. So I have a subtraction problem. So the inverse of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 39 to both sides. That makes a 0 pair. M equals, and then 62 plus 39, and that's 101. And because we're talking about money, so we need to make sure we have our label. So $101 is the amount of money he had initially. Also, you can check your work by substituting. So 101 minus 39 equals 62, and so we know that's a right answer.